What up, Miami? What's really good with you? Log on right now to MiamiUndergroundRadio.com. Miami's new hits worldwide. To get the full exclusive story, 50 Shades of Grey is giving us 50 Shades of Creep Life. You won't believe it. It's crazy. But right now we gotta jump into this Chris Brown. These girls ain't loyal.
I wasn't born last night. Put y'all on skateboard. I'm gnarly Drake, Tunch, and Barbie. You know.
Yeah, you know that was Nicki Minaj, Drake, and Weezy Baby with truffle butter. Well, guess who's coming to town? Kevin Hart, American Airlines Arena, May 9th, 7 p.m. And guess who's giving away tickets? Your hottest radio station in Miami, MiamiUndergroundRadio.com. So be the 9th caller, 305-728-1129 for your chance to win, baby. Can't stop, won't stop, tuning in to Libby Sweet. Hey, you know where you can find me, Miami Underground Radio, Libby Loves Sweets. Tune in, turn up.
We get down, baby, we get down.